guys remember when I spilled that Milorganite all over this section right here? So there was a pile of Milorganite like this tall. Huge big pile right here. Take a look. No damage, no trouble, no issue. There you go. You guys are all stressed out about spilling fertilizer all over the lawn, but look, it didn't even do anything. Looks fine. My spreader broke again. I've got to fix it. I've got a bunch of fertilizer in here that cannot be in here, so it's just got to go. So I'm going to dump this out in here. Okay guys, so I've got to take this apart again because that little cheap fix that I did with that wire broke. It didn't work. Didn't think it was really gonna work that great anyways. So I want the pin out so I can take the tire off, so I can use my drill to take all these off, because that was a pain in the butt to do manually before. With this, I want to use the drill for that baby. And this is the reason that I took off the tire, so I could just quickly undo these, because that was a real pain in the neck. Oh, there we go. Okay, so that came off like this. This fits up in there like that. And I need to get that apart. See how much easier this is to do with the right tools. Okay guys, so I looked into buying the correct parts for this. It's like a rebuild kit for this. It's like $105 to rebuild the whole thing. New gears, new this, new this. And it was like $105. So to start, this little edge spreader's broken. So should I spend $100 or $115 to rebuild all this? Or should I just spend $400 and buy a new one? And I'm leaning towards that buy a new one bit. There's my wire right there that I use as a temporary fix. I thought it was gonna last longer than that, but it really didn't. I gotta go to the hardware store and find a pin that'll fit in there. I'm gonna go over there and see what I can find. Here's the deal. I want to spread fertilizer. I don't want to fix crap. I just want my stuff to work when I want to use it, if you understand this concept. It's time to actually get something done. I'm always trying to improvise on how to make it work so I can get the project done. So, okay, so I got these little tension pins right here. They look like this. It's got this little slot in here. I'm pretty sure that this is exactly what was in there before, so it should just fit right in here like that. So I've got these parts that I picked up from the hardware store. I've got them in my official Lawn Tips Coca-Cola cooler here. I need this pin to go through here and then to go through there like that. There we go. It's going to go through. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back together. This, dang it, that's gotta go on there. I did this yesterday, for Pete's sake. Oh, that is so frustrating. This is the same pin that I could have bought on eBay with the rebuild kit for like $110, and I bought this at Ace for $25. So, okay, it's gonna fit. It's gonna fit. So now I just need to put this all back together. That goes in there like that. So I really like this spreader, but I tell you what, I've had nothing but problems with it because, so this spreader is like $400 new, and I'm into this thing like maybe 50 or something, $70 maybe. But I keep having to fix stuff on it. So I just want to put a little bit of grease right there. So I've got one last fix for this spreader. I want this breakthrough agitator. I've had this for like 3 or 4 months, just haven't put it on. I haven't been using the spreader that much lately, so hopefully I can figure out how to put this on really easily. So I finally got that stupid thing on, and it's not playing nice. keeps hitting either on this side or this side, and it says you have to make some fine-tune adjustments with this set screw. And I have tried that for a long time. So I think what I'm going to do is actually just carve it out a little bit. Make the hole just a little bit bigger so I don't have to listen to this. Just making this loud racket noise, but hey, I'm going to go for it. So pretty well just had enough with this spreader. So if this spreader gives me any more problems in the immediate future, she's done. I'm not going to deal with this much longer. Look at that. This thing spreads fertilizer even when I don't want it to spread fertilizer. With that breakthrough agitator, it just continues to spread. The hopper's closed. There, I'm done. So I was aiming for 1/2 pound of nitrogen per 1,000, and pretty much from about here went over it twice. So that might be a full pound of nitrogen per 1,000. That's a little heavy. Like I said, I was shooting for 1/2 pound per nitrogen per 1,000. Okay, so I want to give a shout out to Ben from the Lawn Chips. He sent me this shirt. He's from Australia. He lives over there, and he's got an awesome perennial ryegrass lawn that he cuts short. It looks beautiful. He works for a golf course by trade, so he knows a lot about grass and how to take care of it, what to do, what not to do. So you may check him out. He's a good dude. So I appreciate you guys watching my channel. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button down below. Got lots more stuff to come. I'll just continue to make videos if people are watching them. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.